Reduce physical strain when cleaning a dirty shower by using tools and methods that transfer effort away from your arms and back. Start by choosing the right cleaner and tools. Apply a pH-appropriate shower cleaner or a diluted vinegar solution and let it sit for at least 10 minutes so chemistry loosens soap, scum, and mildew, which cuts scrubbing time in half. Use a drill brush scrubber fitted with soft bristles to convert wrist and arm work into motorized rotation. Hold the drill with 2 hands and use a low speed to avoid splashback. Break the shower into sections and tackle one small area at a time so you can sit or rest between segments and avoid sustained bending or reaching. Keep a long-handled squeegee and microfiber mop for rinsing and drying to reduce overhead reaching and repeated crouching. Position a sturdy shower stool or a folding utility seat inside or nearby so you can sit while scrubbing lower tiles or rinsing, and use a spray bottle to re-wet stubborn spots rather than reapplying heavy pressure. Finally, maintain tools after use by rinsing and air drying the brush head and wiping the drill grip so future sessions stay efficient and safer. People often overreach and strain by cleaning entire walls in one go, so work from top to bottom in short intervals and use a stool to keep your center of gravity stable. Another common issue is using abrasive brushes that cause joint pain and damage to grout. Switch to soft bristled drill brush heads and let cleaners soak longer to reduce friction. Lastly, many skip proper tool positioning and end up twisting their backs. Stand square to the wall, keep elbows close to your body, and pivot your feet rather than twisting your spine when changing angles. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find local contractors and to help contractors find work. And our site includes a discussion community where people share tips, ask questions, and compare local experiences. We make it easy to connect, share photos, and get practical advice for projects like making shower, cleaning safer, and more ergonomic.